Now, here's the cool thing about High Level. High Level uses the same builder, the tool to actually create the website or to create the funnel for both funnels and websites. Why is this important? Because that way you only have to learn one tool. But this is the design tool, and I'm going to go over it very briefly. But the cool thing is that the funnels and again websites use this exact same thing. So the same elements, the same components that you can use to build a website, you can use to build a funnel. And you can actually move and convert pages from a website to a funnel and funnel to a website if you wanted to. So if you've ever added sections, then you added rows, and then you can add columns to design it and build a wireframe out however you wanted to. If you want to add a form to collect information from somebody, like an opt-in form, you can. So right now, if you take a look at here, any one of these, so you can add videos, images, to simply, if you wanted to, just take it, drag it onto the page and let it go. And then what do you get? You get something like an image. I can then click on the image, and now you get this whole right side page. This right here is where you actually detail what's going to be inside of that particular element. More specifically, you can click on this right here and pull up your own media storage. Your media storage is like your private library of all of your images, videos, everything that you have, so you can continue to reuse them over and over again. So this right here, as you can see, I have a lot of different images and stuff like that we use. But if you wanted to, I can just simply click on this because it's the first one and insert it. But this right here is the image that I put on as the cover for my affiliate community. If you wanted to, you can come down here and adjust the size. Let's just say if we want to get this to have 400 pixels wide, so I could take the image and shrink it down if I wanted to by adjusting its own pixel height and width controls. So again, if you take a look here, these are all the different things that you can actually put in here. So navigation, image features, social media icons, and even your order elements. Now, in order to do this, you do have to connect a payment processor like Stripe or Authorize.net, PayPal, something like that into your account. But that's actually fairly easily to do, and High Level has integrations into all of them. If you ever build something specific that you want to save, you can actually save that section and reuse it like a header or footer. You could reuse that same section across all of your websites so that anytime you change the header once, it changes on every one of the pages that's in your websites. And it just has other things like buttons, forms and surveys. Any of those things that you want to add on here are completely built in here.